Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I am back with Carl from the Zombicide Undead or Alive box set. He was black and white Zenithal primed, and I get started with Cuirass leather for his apron and exposed skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I highlighted up the apron using Army Painter's Leather Brown. For his shirt, I give it a base coat with Offwhite. Moving on to his bottoms, I went for a hemp rope that I clearly haven't used in a while, and it still needs a serious shaking up to use, as this came out very thin. He has green boots, so I grabbed army green for these. To start highlighting up the skin, I went for Ancient Forest. The base and some of these string parts get a once over with Plague Brown. finishing up the highlighting of the face, I went for Wasteland Brown, just the uppermost raised areas. To dot in the eyes and the mouth as well as highlight up the shirt, I used a white star. Completely messed up the face though and had to come back in with Wasteland Brown to fix it up afterwards. All the metal parts get done with plate armour. Finally, I washed the entire mini with light down just to add some shadows and tie in some of those highlights together. And that will be it for Kyle. I like the way the apron came out, and I'm probably going to try and use this again for leather parts. It has a good leather look to it. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord, to the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.